Is your 2019 Tesla Model 3 not charging? Don't worry, many owners have faced this issue, and there are solutions. This guide will walk you through diagnosing and potentially fixing problems related to the charge port, cable, and onboard charger. We'll cover everything from simple software resets to identifying when professional service is needed. The goal is to help you get back on the road quickly and efficiently. As of December 2025, many initial charging issues have been addressed through Tesla's software updates and recalls, but some problems may persist. The Tesla Model 3 charging system consists of three main components that work together to deliver power to your vehicle. Understanding these components is essential for troubleshooting charging issues. The first component is the charge port, located on the rear of the vehicle. This is where you physically connect the charging cable. Misalignment or debris buildup can trigger safety mechanisms that prevent charging from starting. The second component is the charging cable itself. This cable carries high-voltage power from the outlet to your car. Always inspect cables for physical damage like kinks, burns, or bent connectors, as these can interrupt the charging process. The third component is the onboard charger, an internal unit that converts alternating current from the outlet into direct current for the battery. If this charger fails, it can severely limit or completely prevent charging, often requiring professional diagnosis. Here's a cutaway view showing how these components connect within the vehicle, with high-voltage cabling linking the charge port, onboard charger, and battery. Knowing these components is the first step in identifying charging problems. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the charge port with compressed air and avoiding forceful plugging, can help prevent many common issues. Before checking hardware, start with your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Service, then Diagnostics, then Charging. Here, check for error codes such as charge port not detected or onboard charger fault. Tesla has improved diagnostics through software updates, significantly reducing false error reports. If an error appears, try a soft reset by holding both steering wheel buttons until the screen resets. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches and get you charging again. Now we'll inspect the charge port and cable for any issues that could prevent charging. First, carefully examine the charge port for any physical damage, debris, or misalignment. Use a flashlight to get a good look inside the port. Clean the port with compressed air to remove any dust or obstructions that might be blocking the connection. Next, inspect your charging cable for kinks, burns, or bent connectors. Tesla cables have embedded chips, and damage can cause communication errors. Try a different charging cable if available, especially if you suspect the cable is damaged. This can help isolate whether the issue is with the cable or the port. By thoroughly inspecting and cleaning the charge port and cable, you can often resolve charging issues without professional help. Common fix for charging issues involves cleaning the charge port latch using compressed air. This removes dust and debris that can prevent proper connection. Ensure the latch aligns perfectly with the cable's connector to avoid misalignment issues that can trigger safety locks. For cable issues, check the connector pins and ensure they are not bent or corroded, as this can cause communication errors. Avoid force plugging the cable into the charge port, as this can cause damage over time and lead to repeated failures. Use genuine Tesla cables to avoid compatibility problems that can arise with third-party accessories. Regularly clean the charge port with a dry cloth to prevent dirt buildup that can interfere with charging. These simple maintenance steps can prevent many charging problems and keep your Tesla Model 3 running smoothly. If the diagnostics point to an onboard charger fault, the issue is often more complex and may require professional intervention. Common causes include overheating, software glitches, or capacitor wear. While some owners have reported success with software resets, onboard charger failures often necessitate a visit to a Tesla service center. Tesla technicians use specialized tools like the Tesla Charger Analyzer to pinpoint the exact problem. If DIY fixes don't work, it's time to schedule a service appointment with Tesla. Many 2019 Model 3s may still be under warranty or extended service plans, particularly for onboard charger issues. Tesla's 2023 recall, NHTSA campaign number 23V-456, addressed charge port misalignment in pre-2020 models. Check if your vehicle was affected. Document all troubleshooting steps and error codes to provide to the service technician. Proactive monitoring via the Tesla app can also help prevent battery drain in case of intermittent charger failures.